Hello everyone, my name is Oliver. Today I will show you how to install and start working in ComfyUI. The easiest installation is to use Stability Matrix. But if you want to install everything manually, I will leave a link in the description to the ComfyUI Git, where there is a detailed installation instruction, if you scroll down the page. But frankly speaking, using Stability Matrix is much easier and faster. To do this, go to the Stability Matrix Git, scroll down a little, and select the installer we need. As you can see, ComfyUI can be installed on all popular systems: Windows, Mac, Linux. Install and run the program. When you first start it, you will need to install packages. To do this, click Add Packages and select ComfyUI. It is perfect for us as it can work on almost any computer. Select it and click Install. Wait for the installation. After everything is installed, we need to install the model. To do this, go to the Model Browser menu and select the one you like the most. Here you can use the filter for your convenience. If you click on the three dots, you can look at models with an 18+ rating. I will not enable this filter since YouTube can block me for such content. After you have selected the model, click Import. It will take a few minutes to wait until the download is complete. Now go to Packages, select ComfyUI, and click Launch. The launch process has begun. The first time, the launch may take a long time. After the end, go to the browser by clicking the Open Web UI button. A window opens in front of us, where we see blocks. These blocks are called nodes. If you explain it very simply, then this is a block of a small program that performs simple functions. We can divide the nodes into three groups: input nodes, procedural nodes, and output nodes. All nodes can be edited. Change the size and color for ease of reading. Let's look at the standard nodes that we have in the window. Load Checkpoint, the node responsible for loading the model that we downloaded using Stability Matrix. Here is the one that I downloaded. All nodes have sockets, input and output, which are connected to other nodes using lines. The next nodes are prompt nodes, positive and negative. Next comes the empty latent image node, responsible for the size of the generated image, accordingly the width and height. Let's make the sizes suitable for us. Batch size is the number of images that will be generated at a time. Let's leave 1. The next node is K-Sampler. It is also a generator. Seed is responsible for the seed of the generated image. Control after generate is seed control, responsible for the random type of seed. That is, in the next generation we will have an absolutely random seed. We can also fix the seed. Increment. This means that our next seed will increase by 1. Decrement, on the contrary, decreasing the seed. Steps. The number of steps of the generation pass. CFG. Configuration. Let's set it to 4.5 right away. Sampler name. I recommend choosing DPM2 here. You can experiment with all the parameters here until you find the right ones. For me, the optimal ones are the ones I show you. Scheduler. Let's set it to Keras. Leave denoise at 1. The next node is VAE decode. It is also clear from the name that this node is responsible for decoding VAE. And the last node is responsible for previewing the image and saving. Now let's click Q Prompt and create a standard image. Wait a few seconds for the generation to complete. The speed will depend on the power of your computer. Here is the result. If you are scared of the ComfyUI interface and the nodes themselves, like me at the very beginning, I recommend playing the educational novel game on the basic functionality of ComfyUI. The game looks like this and is perfect for all beginners. It won't take you long to complete. Now let's generate something interesting. Insert our prompt and click Q prompt. This is what we got. Now you can experiment with models, prompts, and settings yourself. The results will surprise you, that's all. Thank you for watching my video. In the end, I want to share with you the models, my top